Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Claude, Opus and GPT models for totally free. So go to Google, simply type PromptQL AI. So the very first website which comes, promptql.io. This is a website. I'm using it for past 2 weeks and it is giving me free access. So once you go to the website, as you see, once you register, it gives you some sample credits that you can try. So for that you do need to have a GitHub account. So once you click on sign in, so you can simply log in right here. Log in with your GitHub account. So once you authorize, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So basically it is telling you activate your account to get started. We will not charge you automatically. Your card is only used for verification. You're only charged if you top up later. So it confirms that you are a real person and free credits stay available for genuine users. And also it unlocks up to $100 of free credits. So right here you simply add your credit card once you register on this website to get $100 of free credits. It's quite simple. You will not be charged. You will simply be, it will only be used for verification that you are a real person and not a bot user. So some websites do this to actually only get real users. So right here you add your credit card, just put in the card number, expiration date and CVC number and click on save card. I think unfortunately you can't get away. You do need to activate your account to add a credit card and unlock up to $100 of free credits and get access to Claude. So so let me log in through Google. For this you do need to have a credit card to activate the account and get $100 of free credits to get the Claude Opus model. So you can see that activate your account to get started. Unlock up to $100 in free credits. So it is only used to verify your account and you get up to $100 of free credits to get the actual model. So it's more than enough. Definitely I will recommend you adding a credit card on this website. I have used it for past 6 months and that's why I don't have credit card at this moment of time, so I can't activate it, but I have done this in the past. So I will recommend you simply add your credit card details and start using this website. It basically contains Claude, GPT models, and it gives you around $100 of free credits. So definitely try and using it.